Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. As in my earlier video that I shared few hours ago with you, in this video, I was showing you that Bitcoin Cash broke out a down channel, and after the breakout from the down channel, it was trying to break out the neckline of an inverse head and shoulder pattern. And now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this down channel, finally the price line has also broken out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. By the way, if you are about to trade this breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then you should set your stop loss below the lowest price of the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And over there, we also have a quite nice support as well. That is at $350. And in today's video, we will analyze these breakouts. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that is already happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern when it was moving here inside this wedge and the movement was quite squeezed. And I was telling you that at any time, Bitcoin Cash can break out this falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, we can expect a very massive rally. And you can see that so far, from this low to here, Bitcoin Cash has rallied more than 716%. And we will also analyze this rally as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared a few days ago on 18th of July 2024 with my members. And this move produced almost 11% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared a few days ago on the 18th of July 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal setup that Bitcoin Cash formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. This was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern, by the way. And this was a complete trade setup. This was a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped down into the buying zone. Then we had a very nice reversal and it rallied almost 11%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this channel. First, we broke out the resistance of the channel. And a few hours ago, I was showing you that it was trying to break out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. That was another signal that we can expect that this breakout from this channel is almost confirmed, because this is the bullish path pattern. And you can see that finally the price line has also broken out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern, that technical target can be here. That is approximately at $550. And if you are trading this breakout from this neckline, after the breakout from this neckline or head and shoulder pattern, then you can set your stop loss below this support. That is the lowest or recent swing low before the breakout, and that is the lowest price of this right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. That is at 300, and exact prices, by the way, at $346. And by the way, over here at $350, we have a quite strong support. Therefore, the price and did not break it down. And finally, we have broken out the channel and this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this down channel, that technical target can be here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $700. And by the way, from $700 to $800, we have a very strong and long-term resistance zone. And this resistance zone has been previously breaking as a resistance zone here, support zone here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and resistance here. And this was the last rejection that was happening here in the month of April 2024. And therefore, now after the breakout from this channel, there is a very high probability that we may see another attempt for the breakout of this resistance zone. And the technical target for this breakout from this very long-term falling wedge pattern that is happening here on the 7-day time frame chart, that move is still due. Despite this more than 700% pump, we can still expect that it can hit that target. And that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That can be somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.